The fastest and most easy way to get your 4,000 watch hours this year 2026 without any problems, without any trouble is by going live. Yes, doing live streaming. That is the only way you can get your 4,000 watch hours without stress or any problems. Whichever ways you have decided to do your live stream, either by using live stream app or by using your YouTube app, but the safest method to get your 4,000 watch hours as quick as possible in order for you to reach monetization threshold and get monetized is by going live. Yes, it will all work for you. The only thing is for you to use it the right way. We all know that getting 4,000 watch hours here on YouTube is one of the toughest things one could imagine. Okay, your views and your 1,000 subscribers might be easy to get because one day YouTube algorithm might decide to shine on one of your video that you just uploaded, and boom, before you know it, you are getting your views and your 1,000 subscribers ASAP. But what about the 4,000 public watch hours? That is the main thing. That one is not easy at all. And you might also decide to use YouTube promotion tool to promote your videos and to get your views and 1,000 subscribers. Okay, but what about the 4,000 watch hours? Because YouTube does not count the watch hours you got from YouTube ad promotion during monetization. I don't know if you are getting me. Yes, YouTube does not count the watch hour you get with YouTube ad promotion during monetization. Yes, they do not count that one. They might count the subscribers but won't count the watch hours. So that is the reason why getting 4,000 watch hours here on YouTube is not that easy. It's not really easy. Okay, so that is why you as a new creator, as a new YouTuber, you have to take live streaming very serious, because that is the only way you can get your 4,000 watch hours easily. You understand? You see that the highest, fastest and easiest way to get your 4,000 public watch hours in order for you to reach monetization threshold is by going live. Yes, by doing live streaming and also by posting shorts. Yes, that can help as well. So one of the things you have to take pretty serious in this 2026 if you want to get your 4,000 public watch hours very quickly and to monetize your channel, you have to start going live. You have to start live. YouTube has changed a lot. I don't know if you have noticed it. Okay, YouTube is no longer the way it is last year 2025. It's not even the way it was in 2020 or 2010. Okay, so many things have changed massively and it's still changing. A lot of things are yet to change here on YouTube platform. YouTube is even planning to increase their monetization threshold. Who knows if it will be 8,000 public watch hours and 2,000 subscribers. Hey, God forbid. Let me clean my mouth. 4,000 haven't been easy. What will happen if it now increases to 8,000 public watch hours? Guys, so you see the reason why it is very important for us to take the bull by the horn now. Okay, especially you as a new YouTuber, you as a small channel, you as a growing YouTuber. You need to take live streaming very serious. Do not just sit down and relax, neglecting live streaming. It is also contributing. That is the only way you can get your 4,000 public watch hours as quick as possible in order for you to get monetized. Alright guys, if you have watched to this point, I really appreciate. Thank you very much, and do well to like this video, okay, if you find this very helpful, so that YouTube can push out this video to more audience that needs to know about these things right now. Okay, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips on how you can grow your channel very fast and get monetized as quick as possible. So I want to do something for many small YouTubers or new YouTubers that don't know how to go live, I want to use this opportunity to show you people how you can go live on your YouTube. First of all, you go to your YouTube app like this, okay? Then you click on this plus sign here. If yours is on the shorts here, you click on this live here, okay? Now, before going live, you make sure you edit. Do you understand? That is how you want your live streaming to appear. Both your title, your description, and the visibility, okay? So in order to do that, you click on this pencil icon here, okay? The first thing you will have to edit here is your thumbnail. Do you understand? Click on this pencil icon that is here, okay? Then you will see take thumbnail, upload thumbnail. You understand? If you want to take picture, if you want to use a random picture as your thumbnail, or if you want to use any photo like your photo as your thumbnail, you can click on this take thumbnail. Then you can now take image of yourself or any photo you want to use as your thumbnail. Do you understand? Or if you have already created a thumbnail you want to use for that particular live streaming, you can click on this upload thumbnail. Then upload the thumbnail or any image of your choice that you want to use as your thumbnail, okay? So after doing that, I don't want to go live, so I'm not uploading any thumbnail. Let me just go back and show you other things you have to fill in. So the next one here is your title, okay? Look here, YouTube has written a title here already. They wrote Precious Whitey Grow Tips is live. If you want to leave this thing right now as your title, you can leave it. But writing a title during your live streaming is very, very important, because we all know that YouTube do push this live stream. You understand? And your title might be something that will make somebody to join your live streaming. That is, if your title is eye-catching and clickable. Do you understand? So when writing your title, even if it's a normal video or in this live streaming, you have to write a title that is clickable, a title that is eye-catching, a title that when someone sees it, the title will be screaming, click me and watch me, yo, click me and watch me. Do you understand? So let's say now that I want to go live, I want to write a title. Let me say let me write any title of my choice. Maybe let's say how to get 4,000 watch hours very fast. You see that whenever someone comes across this video, somebody that wants to get 4,000 watch hours very fast, that person will be eager to click and join the live stream. Do you understand? So the next thing now is visibility, okay? If your visibility is unlisted, make sure you put it on public. You get? Just click on visibility here like this and then select public. You get? Then after that, your audience required, make sure it's on no, it's not made for kids. If you want to invite somebody that you can go live stream with, do you get it? So you can toggle this thing here, this button here on, okay? Do you understand? Then the next one is your description. You should add your description. Make sure that you do not add any location here. Do you understand? So if you want to schedule it for later, you can schedule it for later. Do you understand? But if you want to go live immediately, you can just click on this go live icon here. Understand? You'll be live immediately. Okay, so it's pretty simple, okay, easy peasy. So that's all for today. So guys, I also want to at this point invite you to my live streaming that is on Tuesday, 3rd of February 2026 around 10 a.m. Yeah, it will be very, very fun. It's a movie party. That is why I want to personally invite you guys to come and join me to watch this very old movie. Honestly, the movie is very, very old, but I assure you, you will love it. Guys, you will love it. I assure you. It's going to be an engaging and interesting experience. Okay, and you are going to learn a lot from it. Even as a YouTuber, as a new YouTuber, as a growing YouTuber, you are going to learn some lessons and tips, okay, that will help you to improve and excel in your YouTube journey. I promise you that you are not going to regret any time that you spent watching the movie with me. Okay, so please do well to honor the invitation and be there. Love you guys. Bye. See you on Tuesday.